अनुभाग अधिकारी के रूप में की जाती है. My lords, why I'm insisting is because they have filed certain orders to show that many officers were transferred or posted like this from here and there.
Yes.
But there the original post was retained, the original work was retained, and additional charge was given to them. Here is a case, my lord, where I have been ripped of my duties as an office superintendent, posted as a section officer, a post not available. We have very clearly said so. They have not been able to retaliate properly. As a section officer, there is no cadre, there is no post. Till now, none in the institute, organization has been posted as such a post. this वरिष्ठ लिपिक की इसके रूप में की जाती है. उनके स्थान पे श्रीमती नीलम श्रीवास्तव वरिष्ठ लिपक, सीनियर जो क्लर्क है वो मुझसे नीचे है. हायरार्की में आपको दिखाया माय लॉर्ड्स. सीनियर लिपिक को रोकड़ कैशियर का प्रभाव सौंपा जाता है जो मेरे पास था. श्री सजीव दुस्मच भवन के पास स्थित संग्रहालय दुकान में अपने विभागीय कार्य एवं दायित्वों को निम्न अनुसार संपादन करेंगे. ये जो काम मुझे करने को इन्होंने बोला है रिगार्डिंग दी स्वच्छ भारत एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. माय लॉर्ड्स, thereafter my lord, he was in fact, he went back and respondent number 4 joined, my lords. So as a matter of fact, I was asked to do all my duties when the new respondent number 4 took over, and that he did becomes explicit from P20 at page 63, February 10, 2023.
Now, who is this respondent number 4?
He is that he came as an additional director on deputation. He is in fact the colleague of respondent number 3, was at the Archaeological Survey of India, and later he comes on a deputation in place of Mr. Mishra, Dr. Mishra.
After passing of impugned order.
After passing of the impugned order.
So where is that order regarding respondent number 4?
That we P20, my lord, from page 63 we get it. There is no denial to that effect by respondents that he did not take over.
It should not be page.
He was sent back.
Page annexure?
This would be 63.
It should not be 63. Some other annexure.
So this is on 18-2. He says SK Kino so and so and Tino to please finalize the draft reply of so and so and the reply. But thereafter, my lord would see the things that I have been doing, the orders which have been passed, is by him, my lord, Dr. Bhuvan Vikram, director. अब आप P23 देखेंगे पेज 66 में TG सजीव कार्यालय अधीक्षक को what were the duties are they have been given का दायित्व सौंपा जाता है. ये सारे वो डॉक्यूमेंट्स है जो उनके आने के बाद वापस किए गए, जो करवाया गया.
Yes.
These are all those documents to show that what I was asked to do, right, Pullets?
Yes.
Complete regarding whatever the work that I was supposed to do. Now, P28, page 85, right?
To P23 again back, please. Page number 66.
Page 66.
Yes.
Yes, my lords.
At the bottom, serial number 4. This is petitioner.
Yes, TG Sachiv, Karyalaya Adhikshak.
So you are being shown as office superintendent.
Office superintendent and doing the work. This is which we have stated also. But what is important is, I am not a section officer.
So after passing of this order, your status as office superintendent was again restored.
Virtually, yes, I was doing all the work. Now, what they say is, in their return, I got an add-on duties of the museum shop. But the orders are not to that effect, please. I will compare the two orders in other matters and in my case. I was posted. First, I was ripped off my complete duties, my lords. The order is very, very clear. 2, posted as a section officer. So my posting is not as an office superintendent, please.
No, white P3, you are being recognized as office superintendent only.
Office?
Superintendent.
P23.
Yes.
I returned back thereafter, I'm telling. Thereafter I was office superintendent. I've been doing it.
So once you return back as office superintendent.
Then what has happened? Further order comes in, that comes under challenge. This is 13-123 was the order under challenge to start with.
Yes.
Thereafter I was doing all the, whatever the work was being asked to do of an office superintendent I was doing. Now what happens is, he happens to be no doubt a colleague of my lord P28, page 85.
Yes.
I informed the director on 24th of May 2023 that as per your instruction, I am doing all other works allotted by you in room number 12, the report of internal revenue generation complete and submit of further action, please. I'm informing that from that museum shop, I'm back to room number 12 and I'm performing all my duties. Right, Pullets?
Yes.
Now, फिर ये 13/7 का इनका ऑर्डर्स है, जो कुछ करने के ये संबंधिंग में मीटिंग लेना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. These are all the work things that I'm required to do. Now, on 18/8, this is also under challenge. On 18/8/23, he passes an order.
Yes.
What does he say? It has come to the notice of the undersigned that TG Sajeev Office Superintendent flouted the order number 13/123. That is the original order of respondent number 3, Dr. P.K. Mishra, in letter and spirit, and forcefully occupied room number 12 of the office campus. This act comes under gross misconduct and attracts disciplinary action. This is on 18/8/23, my lords. And my lord, right from February onwards, the orders are to that effect that I am to do so many things which is regarding the office superintendent. And in May itself, I say whatever I'm doing is from room number 12. And this is what it comes that you are doing this, my lord.
Room number 12 is Chamber of Office Superintendent.
This office superintendent. And Shri Sajeev is advised to obey the said order, full in letter and spirit. Which order? 13th of January 2023. Now, my lord, why I'm repeating and reiterating is, yes, the organization, whether it is a baby of the government, undertaking of the government, or the government itself, they have the enabling powers, no doubt about it, to the administrative executive to post somewhere A and B and C. But when you're posting A plus B plus C, you've got to see if wherever you're posting is commensurate with the work that I'm doing, the post that I'm holding. If you put me at a dingy room, rip me of my post, service jurisprudence doesn't tolerate it.
Yes.
And this was done only for the reason that on 5th of January 23, I had given a note against then director, additional director, my lords. Now, they filed their return. Let's have a perusal, my lord, of the return, the counter affidavit filed by them. I'll just read only the relevant lines and the paras. Am I there with my lord at the counter affidavit?
Page number?
Page number would be 3, para 3.
Yes.
That it is respectfully submitted that the petitioner was given assignments by the director as per the requirement of the office. The officer cannot be assigned the work as per his choice or his comfort. It is the duty of the director to execute the work with the available staff by giving them different works as per the need from time to time. The petitioner was not transferred from the museum campus at Bhopal or to any other place. He was just shifted from one section to another section within the campus.
Yes.
Now, this is very important. And given additional task of Swachh Bharat mission and museum marketing policy. Now, what is the Swachh Bharat mission और कब आया था, कब तक खत्म होना था? ये हमने अपने इसमें I'll skip to my rejoinder as far as this is concerned. Now, they have filed the policy, which is R4. Then I'll come to the rejoinder. R4, which is at page 73.
Yes.
Now, when was this? This was a special campaign 2.0 for disposal of the pending matters from 2nd October 2022 to 31st of October 2022. This particular mission, झाड़ू लगाना, सफाई करना, is it my work? और वो सबको पीरियड के लिए था. Now, when we read clause 2 of that policy, the special campaign will cover ministry, departments, and their attached subordinate offices. The special campaign will be organized in 2 phases. 1, preparatory phase from 14/9/22 to 13/9/22, and implementation. Second is implementation phase from 2/10/22 to 31/10/22. Right, my lords?
Yes.
And then we come next, my lords. The Indo cleanliness. Now, next we come at page 76, clause 3, right on the top. The implementation phase of campaign 2.0 shall start from 2/10/22 and last up to 31/10/22.
Yes.
Right, Police? So this is what it is. And in our rejoinder, if I can just read along with that, common rejoinder. We file a common rejoinder, my lord. Yes, I'm sorry, very right, you're very right. Now, another, my lord, the orders which they have said in comparison that there have been incumbents who have been transferred here and there, and they have never raised their voice. Now, let's have a look to those orders, my lords. I'm sorry, I should have taken in continuity. Yes. Well, that comes at page 71, sorry, R6 at page 70.